What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a install of a Rydonair antenna, and I'm going to compare the two and see if there's any difference between the 7-inch Rydonair antenna and just a regular antenna. I've been looking to swap this out for a little bit now. This thing is just ridiculous, it gets in the way. You can actually see right here, just from going under things, it's all bent up. It's just kind of an eyesore. And if the reviews are as good as they say they are on Amazon, it looks like this is going to be the exact same reception, if not even better. So let's check it out today, and we'll start with the install. All right, let's just do a quick unboxing. This is the Rydonair 7-inch antenna. I bought this on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description of the video. They make a few different sizes, a 7-inch, 11, 13. But I got the 7. I like this size. It's nice and low profile. Feels quality. It has a nice little carbon fiber inlay, and I got this brand and this style because I like that this bends. There's some cheaper ones on Amazon that are just solid and they don't bend. My fear with that is if you were to hit something like a branch with that solid antenna, it's going to break off the lower portion of where this antenna gets fixed to the truck. So I would highly suggest getting something like this. Like I said, I put the link in the description if you guys want this one. So let's get to the install. This install is as simple as it gets, just any kind of wrench, and you can see right here, it has kind of an edge so you can grab onto it, but just want to caution you guys, just be super careful around the paint, go slow, because the last thing you want to do is to bang, the edge of a tool against the paint and do any kind of damage, but very, very simple. All right, let's ditch this and get the new Rydonair antenna on. All right, so there's two sides to these grooves. You're gonna put the smaller side into the antenna piece. Screw it in like this. Guess it's a tough install, huh guys? Doesn't get much easier than that. And then I'm gonna rotate it so this piece right here is kind of facing, I'm kind of going in line with the vehicle. I think that just looks best, but it's as easy as that. All right, let's go see if there's any kind of difference in the reception with the radio station, and then we're gonna check the Bluetooth connectivity, see if that's the same too. The first test, I'm gonna check 3 different channels that I listen to. I'm gonna compare and contrast and see if there's any difference between this antenna and the Stubby antenna. So the first one, this is the regular antenna. Perfect here. Good. Perfect. Okay. So now we're going to swap out the antennas and see if there's any difference between the two. All right, let's check out the station, see if there's any kind of difference. So we'll go to the first one here. Perfect. Good there. No difference. Perfect. Yeah, I think I would pick up any kind of difference right away. Everything seems good. Let's just make sure the Bluetooth works the way it should, and we'll move on. All right, so now I'm going to test out the Bluetooth connectivity. Right now, as you can see, I'm connected to the sync. What I'm going to do is I'm going to back up approximately 10 feet and then try to reconnect and see if I have any issues. All right, so I'm connected. Shut Bluetooth off. All right, like you can see there, not connected. Let's see if we can reconnect from about 10 feet away. Boom. So that's something that I wanted to check out and test, because a lot of people complained with some of these Stubby antennas that the Bluetooth is a little off. But I mean, 10 feet away, I can't see you wanting anything better than that. So overall, everything that I was worried about or I had any concerns about works perfect. All right guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Rydonair antenna. Like I said, the link is in the description. This is super highly rated on Amazon. That's why I bought it, and I'm very pleased. So go ahead and check out some other videos on my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. See you guys next time.